Brazil, a country where nature is life. A country that breathes innovation and has the Amazonian rainforest as its lung. The largest cradle of biodiversity on the planet. It is the beauty of fauna coexisting with the wealth of flora with species that can only be found here. And in this quest of an environment that breathes nature, PROCÃO was born, a 100% Brazilian company located in an area of environmental preservation. Having as priority sustainability for its product line. As a result, from years of research and dedication, we have combined the benefits from the Brazilian natural resources, absorbing the Amazonian essence without harming it. Through the touch, smell, and vision, we have transformed the bath in a concrete experience of sensations, affection, and caring, strengthening bonds, and ever more willing to experiment the new and natural. Fruits, leaves, seeds, bioactives with unique properties, moisturizers, emollients, antioxidants that nourish, protect, and regenerate and soothe skin. After all, they deserve such caring. They are our best friends 24 hours. They are friends that make our lives happier. Some people also say they look like us. This is your pet, and this is our world.